Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by getting quick diagnostics. Reboot and confirm iOS is current because software often fixes camera bugs. Once done, clear storage so buffers and caches don't corrupt images. Make sure to close apps that use the camera. Next, inspect the lens for fingerprints or debris. Cleaning at a shallow angle prevents streaks and avoids pushing grit into the module. Finally, open the camera app and cycle through 1x and 2x lenses to identify whether the issue is with one lens or the whole system. Once you've isolated which lens behaves poorly, perform deeper fixes. Reset camera settings and preserve modes to eliminate misconfigurations. You should also test with a third-party camera app. If third-party captures fine, the Apple app may be corrupted. Make sure to back up your device, then update or reinstall iOS using settings or a computer. This replaces system drivers that control image processing. If you hear unusual noises or see blinking artifacts, note those symptoms before proceeding to hardware steps. Conclude by determining whether a hardware repair is necessary, run Apple diagnostics, and if available, schedule an inspection. If replacement is required, choose Apple or certified parts. The true depth and optical image stabilization rely on calibrated components, so third-party parts can degrade quality. Once replaced, retest in varied light to confirm focus, stabilization, and color fidelity. If problems persist, try safe mode testing and document exact failure patterns. That log speeds up tech support.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.